We see something else. We don't know what it is. We're going along the path.
Let's see that jeep.
What jeep? Oh. This is like a car that they use. You can go inside it.
Old safari jeep. Like.
You can go inside it. Can we?
Let me sit and take the picture.
So, this is a jeep. It looks like a World War jeep. Let's go inside it.
Oh, wait.
This is inside. Okay, guys, so this is inside the jeep. I'm saying inside. This is actually kind of a working jeep. Can you take the recording? So we have a pedal. We have some stuff. It's a Land Rover. Like indicators. I don't know how cars work. So, and then there's an indicator. No, not it. And then a little gear shifter type of thing. And then hand brakes. This is another area. So let's see what's here. And zebras. There's zebras here. 2 zebras. Plain zebra. So that's an addy. It says there's a lot of animals, but all I see is a zebra. That one's looking like, what are you guys doing here? Let's see what's next. So guys, now we are going to the lemurs. You can also go inside and interact with them, but I don't want to because I'm scared. They can be dangerous sometimes. So there's this path. Oh, look at those. Why does it smell so bad? Because the animals pooed here. Smells like it. So we're going. That's the gate, and the lemurs are about to come right here. They will be running around. Lemurs. It's right there. I've zoomed in. That's lemur. Lemur number 2. Movie number 2. They're doing something. They're dancing.